Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I'll be giving the demo of how can we merge reports and share it with a particular user in the dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. For merging the reports, we'll go to the hamburger menu. In the hamburger menu, we'll go to documents, and in documents, we'll go to merge reports. In merge reports, we'll click on the option create in the footer menu. And here we'll give a particular name to the report. Like here, I'll give it the name of combined performance report. Then I'll expand the templates here and you'll see that we have different files available in different formats. Like I'll be selecting annotations, which is in RPT, which is the BERT report design file. And I'll select this and I'll drag and drop it over here. Then I will select income statement, PRPT, which is the Pentaho report design file. I'll select this. Then we have invoice, which is a Jasper report design file. And then we'll select sales by product line, which is PDF. So you'll see that we have selected 4 different files of 4 different formats, that is BERT, Pentaho, Jasper and PDF. Now you'll see that the reports having parameters will have their parameters appearing in the bottom like this. Now we'll make changes to these parameters, like we'll be selecting the period here. We have different options here. I'll be selecting weekly. You can select daily and monthly also. And cover page, I'll select children's. You can select other options. Report title, I'll give it overview merge. And if you wish to schedule this report, you can go to the schedule option that will automate the repetitive task. And you can also see this schedule feature in my other video of scheduling in detail. If you want to share it with a user through an email, you can go to output and click on this email option, and here you can enter the email ID of the person from this selected list, or you can simply type the email ID of the person with whom you want to share this particular report. Now I'll again go to the merge option, and here if I click on merge, the report will get merged. These reports of different formats will get merged into a single report. Now if I click on save and merge, here the reports will get merged also and will get save also in the merge section of the AIV dashboard. So I'll be clicking on save and merge. And you'll see that we have a single report here which is in the PDF format. So merged report will always be in the PDF format. And here we'll see the reports that we had selected, the report design files that we had selected, which is this is the annotation which is in BERT report design file. Now this is the another file, that is the income statement, which is in Pentaho report design. Now this invoice is the Jasper. And the last one, that is the sales by country. This is the PDF one. So you can see that we have merged all these reports of different formats into a single report. And it has also got saved over here in the merge section of the dashboard in AIV. So this is how we can merge the reports in AIV and can also share it with a particular user. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, queries, mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.